clean deal, I need your heart out.
30 or something. We're in a hurry.
Okay.
There's money just to check it out. Sure the GPS is running properly.
It must be nice to see Bella in the boat.
Yeah.
It was just a spur of the moment thing.
Thank you.
And yeah, it worked out alright.
Yeah.
It worked,
We were going to go, we're like, oh, we should go to the giant rock there, the big rocking course.
Yeah.
Or to St Kilda.
Oh,
We're
yeah,
like,
yeah.
we'll go to St Kilda, it's the big rocking course,
Well,
it's too far away.
And plus it sucks now because you can't actually climb right to the top of it anymore.
Oh, can't you?
No, you can't climb out and stick your head out the top of its head anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, they've stopped it, mate, yeah. Yeah, no, that's... Yeah, it's all the old health and safety crap, mate. Hey, gorgeous. Hey, Trev, I'm going to edit her out and put you in my private collection, mate.
Yeah, no, go with that.
Give me my drink, wench. What are you videotaping me? No, your daughter. It's not all about you.
Oh, why don't you make it about me?
What, you have a kid, you think you're the man?
Yeah, I do actually.
Yeah, what about your missus? What did she do with the kid?
She's a woman.
Can you do that?
No, I can't actually.
Oh man. Let's go, brother. Video recording. What? Oh, yeah, that's because of what he said about Mum earlier.
Yeah, that's exactly
That's
right.
what it was. Yeah. He's like, oh, Mum's going to see this.
That's what the problem is.
No six-pack sex for you.
Exactly. No 6 minute wonders.
Bella, you wave to Nana?
Hi, Nana.
Say hi, Nana, Grandma. Wave, say hello, Grandma. Oh, hey, you know what's even better? You say, Mary. Hey, Mary. Let it go a bit longer.
Get your hat
Isabella.
Hey,
What's Mum doing?
Sure.
you know I'm a favourite, Ma.
Whatever.
Oh, what? Hang on, what? Travis now? Oh, Tyson. He's your favourite as well.
Yeah, no, it is Tyson. It's
Yeah,
Tyson.
it's always the
And closely,
I
yeah.
realised I'd got thrown out for Ty.
That's what it is. You got traded in, mate. New young one came in.
I'm changing my wheel, Mum. I'm taking you out of my wheel now. Like Tyson.
She put Tyson into it.
You know what she's singing? She's singing, you're all idiots. It's Isabella. That's where all my
Of course, that's exactly right.
I give you clown.
Yeah, not giving nothing, mate. The minute she was born, that was the end of it.
She might be partial to Madeline.
Yeah, no, you know you're right. If we split down the guts.
Jared, Ryan, don't give them a cent.
Nope. Nah, if we split down the guts, mate.
It's like Madeline, there'll be a cause ahead.
For Isabella, that's exactly right.
Shut up, Nick. You actually was in this later on. It's very much the same person.
When you hear the same shit all the time. You're like, God, I wish Colin would just shut up.
I turned a video off once because I just wouldn't shut up. Wave.
Hello! Hello, Bella!
Wave to Dad.
Hello!
Wave, Dad. Wave to Dad. Hey, Bella, say it. Uncle Coco.
Who's that?
I'm staring at you. What would I say?
Exactly. You're already there. You're asking me who you are, you idiot.
That's right. The children like adults is hard. You just wouldn't
Yeah.
I think girlfriends are really cute, and I just want to cheer every little bit of their body off.
Hi, Daddy.
You know?
Hello!
Mushy, mushy mouth. Mushy, mushy mouth. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Like kiss. Mwah.
Oh, you gonna go to
Got in there one yet?
Yeah, she does that.
Hey.
Oh, actually, I think I have seen it.
Yeah.
She was like, feed me.
Yeah. Like kiss?
Get your sea legs, girl.
I remember so much about all my kids. Like,